In the deepest area of the world's coldest oceans, this predator lives by the slogan, "Live slow, die ancient." Meet the Greenland shark, one of the longest living and most mysterious creatures on our planet. Roaming the cold waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, the Greenland shark has a lifespan unlike any other, reaching up to 400 years or more. Imagine, some of these sharks were alive before Shakespeare's plays were even written. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of this ancient predator, uncovering its secrets, its survival strategies, and its strange life at the bottom of the Arctic. If you love discovering new ocean mysteries, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. First, let's get to know this remarkable shark. The Greenland shark can grow up to 24 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. That's almost the size of a small boat. But unlike most large sharks, this one doesn't race through the water at high speeds. Instead, it moves slowly, almost lazily, at around 1 mile per hour. This slow pace isn't a flaw. It's an adaptation to the freezing waters it calls home. The Greenland shark lives at depths of up to 7,200 feet, where sunlight barely reaches and temperatures are near freezing. Its body has adapted to these conditions with a low metabolic rate that allows it to conserve energy, survive in the dark, and grow very slowly. But what really makes the Greenland shark famous is its age. Scientists have confirmed that some Greenland sharks can live over 400 years. Imagine a creature that has swum through the ocean while empires rose and fell, while the world transformed from the age of exploration to the digital age. How do we know they're this old? Scientists discovered a way to measure a Greenland shark's age by studying layers in its eye lens. Each layer in the eye grows slowly over time, similar to tree rings, which can give us a timeline of its life. By this method, researchers have discovered that the Greenland shark is the longest living vertebrate known to science. Some Greenland sharks alive today could have been born in the 1600s. That means they've witnessed nearly 4 centuries of history, all while gliding quietly beneath the waves. And if that doesn't amaze you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We've got even more fascinating facts coming up. Greenland sharks have a rugged appearance that fits their ancient and mysterious nature. Their skin is dark gray and covered in small tooth-like structures called denticles, which protect them as they navigate through ice-cold waters. And here's something strange. Many Greenland sharks carry a little hitchhiker, a parasitic worm called Omatocoita elongata. These parasites attach to the shark's eyes, feeding off its fluids and often causing blindness over time. But for the Greenland shark, eyesight isn't the most important sense. In the pitch-dark Arctic waters, it relies on its keen sense of smell and other senses to detect prey. Speaking of prey, let's talk about what the Greenland shark eats. Its diet is as varied as it is strange. Scientists have found all sorts of things in the stomachs of Greenland sharks, from fish and squid to seals and even the occasional reindeer hoof. It turns out Greenland sharks are mostly scavengers, feeding on whatever they can find, even if it's been dead for a while. So, how do reindeer end up in the ocean? Some scientists think that as animals fall into rivers or get washed out to sea, Greenland sharks happen to come across them and don't hesitate to take a bite. They've even been known to eat large marine animals like beluga whales if they get the chance. Unlike other sharks that rely on speed to hunt, the Greenland shark's hunting style is all about patience and stealth. Its slow movements actually help it sneak up on unsuspecting prey, especially in the darkness of the ocean depths where it lives. It's believed that some Greenland sharks wait until seals are resting or sleeping, then quietly approach from below to catch them by surprise. This strategy makes them very effective hunters, despite their slow speed. Greenland sharks reproduce in a way that's still a bit of a mystery. We know that they give birth to live young, with each mother giving birth to a small number of large pups. However, scientists are still trying to understand more about how often they reproduce, where they go to give birth, and how long their young take to mature. Because they grow so slowly and live in such remote, deep places, there's a lot we still don't know about their reproductive cycle. It's one of the many reasons the Greenland shark remains one of the ocean's most mysterious creatures. Despite its ancient lineage, the Greenland shark faces new challenges. The rise of commercial fishing, climate change, and warming oceans all pose threats to this deep-sea giant. Since they grow slowly and reproduce rarely, Greenland sharks are highly vulnerable to overfishing. Even catching a few can have a big impact on their population. Scientists and conservationists are working to protect Greenland sharks by studying their habits and promoting sustainable fishing practices. The Greenland shark plays a unique role in the Arctic ecosystem, and preserving it helps maintain the balance of life in these icy waters. The Greenland shark is a reminder of the ocean's mysteries and the incredible ways life adapts and endures. It has quietly survived in the cold depths for centuries, witnessing human history from beneath the waves. It doesn't rush, it doesn't fear. This shark is a true survivor, carrying the secrets of the deep in every slow movement. If you've enjoyed diving into the mysteries of the Greenland shark, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep-sea explorations. Who knows what other secrets the ocean is hiding, just waiting for us to discover?